Hi guys! Winter vacation is just around the corner and I can't wait to embark on my snowy adventure. I'm going on a thrilling snowboarding trip to the majestic mountains. Excitement bubbles inside me as I think about the snowy slopes and the snowman I'm going to build. Before my grand journey, I have to pack my suitcase and I know I have to fill it with thick clothing. The mountains I'm going to are known for the freezing temperatures. But wait, don't you know what doesn't mean that something's thick? Let me tell you. Thick means that the inside of something is kind of fat and big, while thin is the opposite. It's like skinny or small. If a piece of clothing is thick, it means it's fuller and warmer. And if a piece of clothing is thin, means it's less warmer. In summer, we normally wear thin clothes. And in winter, we wear the thick ones. But wait, I'm just getting mixed up. Let me get back to what I was doing. Oh, yes! This is my beautiful closet. It's super cool, yes. Do you understand? I can ask for outfits directly and it just gives them to me. All right, let's start. I need an outfit for a snowboarding place. Oh, perfect! Can you see? It's perfect for snowboarding. The pants are thick, the sweater is thick, and the coat is thick too. Great! Thank you. Let me just think. Please, can you give me an outfit for trekking in the mountains? What? No, you've got it wrong. This clothing is far too thin for the mountains. Can you see? The pants are very thin. And these are for summer. And so is the t-shirt. I don't want to get a cold. Come on then. I'll give you one more chance. Remember, it's for trekking in the mountains. And it's winter. Ah, yes! Now you did it. That's just right. These pants are enough thick for the mountains. And so are the sweater and the vest. Yes, it's a very thick vest. Great, I like it. Very warm. Okay, what else? I need an outfit for my downtime at the hotel. Yes, I plan to have some time to read books and relax. Come on, closet. Give me the best outfit you've got. Yes. Perfect! This outfit is just right for my leisure time. Yeah, the pants and the sweater are a bit thick, but just enough to stay warm indoors. Yeah, I'm super ready. All my outfits are sorted and ready. I'm ready for my adventure. Great! Thank you, guys.
Compra nuestros cuadernos y aprende desde donde quieras. Tienes un método súper intuitivo y fácil público en nuestra web. Solo tienes que seguir el orden de las imágenes, ver nuestros vídeos donde jugamos con gramática y sobre todo hacer las actividades con nuestro equipo. De esta manera, tus hijos nunca más harán los deberes solo y sobre todo aseguras que aprenden gramática de una manera natural, la mejor manera de practicar inglés desde casa.
Hello kids, are you ready to keep learning with us? Today the adjectives comparatives. In this occasion we have these two words, thick and thin. And what do they mean? Thick is something that has a considerable distance between the opposite sides. For example, this is thick, right? Is thick. Can you see? But this pen is thin. Is thinner because it doesn't have so much distance, right? So thin means a small distance between opposite sides, and thick means a bigger distance, okay, between opposite sides, like being fat or white. Yes? Let's look at the example. Can you see this book? This book has a longer, okay, distance between opposite sides, and thick. What a thin book! It has got few pages. It's a small book with few pages, okay? Let's do this activity together. Having these two adjectives, thick and thin, we need to put them in the right sentences. My winter red coat is very... Okay, my winter red coat. What is the winter red coat? Here, number one. Okay, this is a red winter coat. And it says, it really warms me up. Okay, warms me up. What is warms me up? Warms me up is to feel, to heat yourself, to heat your body, to feel hotter. So that means my winter red coat is very thick. That is what for sure is. Let's place thick. Yes, it's a winter coat. Number two, I have got a very thick or thin t-shirt that I just wear in summer. Oh wow, look at the hint. Summer is hot. So that means it has to be something thin. A t-shirt that is thin, right? It's light. So let's write thin. Well done. Then let's go for the third one. Better to use not two gloves. Otherwise, you can hold the ski sticks. Okay, number three are the gloves for skiing, but it's true that if they are very thick, you cannot get the skis properly. So they have to be just a little bit thick for the cold. Let's say better to use not too thick gloves, okay, just a little bit. Then this clothing is far too, number four, this clothing is far too thick or thin for the mountain. I'm going to be cold. So this is the hint. If we have this sentence saying that we are going to get cold, we should have a thicker clothes. So this clothing is far too thin. Is far too thin for the mountain. Great. Now let's go for the number five. The purple vest is thick or thin and protects me even more from the cold winter. So if protects me more, that means is thick. Yes, is thick. And finally, this lightweight, the number six, this lightweight and comfortable thin pajama set is perfect for a cozy night's sleep. Okay, yes, I think that if we have lightweight, that means thin, something small, okay? Something just to cover our bodies and not feel cold, but not thick. And this is it. Remember, adjectives, we have in this occasion these two, thick and thin. Thick means something is big or has a larger distance between the opposite sides, and thin means something has a short distance between the opposite sides. Well done, guys.